So now I am going to give you model paper of social studies for S7. Already you have got, but explanation I am going to give you about the paper, what are there, how it will be, etc. So look here, model paper for S7 subject social studies. Which class? 4th class children. What you are going to get? Short answer type questions, just like one line answers. You have in your notes short answer type questions. Name the following. For all the lessons I gave, name the following. Name any two crops. Name two states. Name two mountain ranges of Himalayas, like that. And match the following. One side questions, other side answers. You have to match and write down the alphabets down. Define the following. Recently I gave in 1 or 2 lessons. I will give you that. Then states and capitals. I have given states and capitals of almost all the states. I can give you states which are in the northern plains and their capitals, states which are in the northern mountains area, like that, anything. Then table formation. Table formation means I will give you the names of the states. 4 states I will give, their crops, capital, river, industry, mineral, like that I will give. What you are going to get? States names you will get. You are and what you are going to do? Making the columns and writing under. Suppose first I give you Karnataka, capital Bengaluru, river Kaveri, crops what they grow there, then important cities, like that, anything of that kind. Table formation, sort out under the given titles. Understand? I may mix all the things, crops of all the crops, rivers, minerals, etc. Sightseeing places or places of interest, holy places, etc. And I give you headings. So crops, write under crops. Wheat means you write under crops. Gold means under mineral. Godavari under river. Like that. Manali under hill station. Like that you have to group them. Then complete the series. Means I will give the names of 2, 3 mountains. 4th one will be the dash, where you are writing the 4th mountain's name. Answers will be given up in the bracket. If I give crops names, last one will be left, which where you are writing your own any crops name. Rivers I will write 2, 3 rivers. 4th river you are writing on your own. Like that. That is complete the series. Tick the right answers. I will write the dash, fill in the blanks, give 2 answers. One will be right, one will be wrong. You are ticking the right answer. Flow chart we have already done for Jammu and Kashmir. You are going to get all information will be given in the box. Down you are going to get name of the state Jammu and Kashmir, capitals, then languages, festivals, all will be there. You have to write to the side of it. Then complete the following. Same like fill in the blanks you are having in all the lessons. Then true or false you are going to get from the back of every lesson. All the 4 or 5 lessons which are mentioned for you, you are going to get from them. So very short answers. You are not going to get any big answers. Name the following. Simple. Match the following. Define the following 1 or 2. Then states and capitals names. Then table formation. I will tell you how to form the table. Sort out under the given titles. I am going to give revision for all these things. Complete the series. I told you, no, 3, 4 things will begin. Last one you are adding to it. Pick the right answer. We have already done in worksheets and all so many times. Flow chart. I showed you flow chart about Jammu and Kashmir. Same way we are doing. Complete the following. They are fill in the blanks. Then true or false. from the lesson back side. So this is all about model paper of social studies for you. Understand, we have exam for only 40 marks. So your paper will be very simple and short, where you are learning everything properly. That's it, children. So Sunday you are going to get the revision number 1. Thank you.